Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're talking about a common mistake many people make in the kitchen, refrigerating foods that shouldn't be in the fridge. You might think the fridge keeps everything fresh, but in reality, some foods lose their flavor, texture, and even nutritional value when stored in cold temperatures. Some can even develop harmful compounds. Let's dive into the top 10 foods you should never refrigerate and the medical reasons why. Tomatoes. Refrigeration causes tomatoes to lose their natural flavor and texture. Refrigeration breaks down cell membranes, making tomatoes mushy and tasteless. The cold temperature disrupts cell membranes and causes a mealy, mushy consistency. Tomatoes are rich in lycopene and vitamin C, which break down in the cold, reducing their antioxidant properties that help fight free radicals in the body. Cold storage reduces lycopene and vitamin C, which are powerful antioxidants that protect your cells. Potatoes. Cold temperatures convert starch to sugar more quickly, which changes the flavor and results in an unpleasant, gritty texture when cooked. When potatoes are stored in the refrigerator, they produce more acrylamide during cooking, a chemical that has been linked to neurotoxicity and potential cancer risks with long-term exposure. Onions. Refrigerating onions makes them soft, moldy, and increases their moisture absorption, which leads to faster spoilage. Spoiled onions release toxic sulfur compounds that can irritate the respiratory system and cause digestive problems when consumed. Garlic. Cold temperatures cause garlic to sprout faster, reducing its flavor and nutritional value. Refrigeration can also make garlic rubbery and soft. Garlic contains allicin, a compound with antibacterial and antiviral properties. Refrigeration reduces the formation of allicin, weakening its immune-boosting effects. Honey. Refrigeration can cause honey to crystallize and harden, making it harder to use. Honey is naturally antibacterial and doesn't need to be refrigerated. Crystallized honey is difficult to dissolve, and heating it back into liquid form can destroy beneficial enzymes and antioxidants. Bread. Cold temperatures cause bread to go stale faster due to a process called recycling, where starch molecules rearrange and harden. Eating stale bread can cause digestive upset, and in some cases, mold growth can release mycotoxins that are harmful to liver health. Coffee. Beans or ground. Refrigeration brings moisture, causing the coffee to lose its flavor and absorb odors from other foods. Spoiled coffee loses its antioxidant properties, which are beneficial for brain health and reducing inflammation. Olive oil. Cold temperatures turn olive oil cloudy and dark, which can affect its consistency and flavor. Olive oil contains polyphenols that support heart health. When stored in the refrigerator, oxidation can occur, leading to the loss of these beneficial compounds. Bananas. Cold temperatures slow down the ripening process and cause bananas to quickly darken and become mushy. Bananas are rich in potassium and vitamin B6, both of which deteriorate in cold environments, reducing their benefits for heart and nerve function. Avocados. Refrigeration stops the ripening process and results in an unripe, tough texture. Unripe avocados contain less bioavailable nutrients, meaning the body absorbs fewer beneficial fats and vitamins. So, next time you're about to toss one of these foods in the fridge, think twice. Proper storage helps keep them fresh, nutritious, and safe to eat. Did any of these surprise you? Which food do you usually keep in the fridge that you now realize you shouldn't? Let me know in the comments below. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you never miss out on more useful tips. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.